What's up guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports, and today we're going to be doing a quick run through of these CrystaLux G11 series LED bulbs. Now we've got these available on our site in a couple different options, whether you have H7, H10, H11, etc. A couple different bulb styles that'll work really well for either headlight replacements, high beam or low beam, or even fog light replacements. And these are basically designed so that they'll plug in place of a factory halogen bulb, but they're going to have a lot brighter light output. So because they're LED, obviously you'd expect it to be brighter, but it's a little bit more of a focused pattern as well in the light, so you do get a nice intense beam out in front of your vehicle. And they're a 6000K color temperature, which makes them a nice clean white color instead of the kind of yellowish, awful dated looking halogen yellow that you get just from factory with most bulbs. Now, a few of the features that make these unique even from other LED bulbs on the market is that you can see they have a really nice heatsink on the back with this fan that's actually a dual ball bearing design. So it's just kind of quiet and efficient, keeps the bulbs cool, works really well. And the other thing is that they also have removable collars. So you can see here that you can actually pop this collar forward and then flip it around or reverse it however you need to get a better fitment for the bulb depending on what headlight housing or fog light housing you're using. And that way it just works and fits the way it's supposed to. You don't have to worry about stuff not sealing up. Now, the last little convenient thing that these bulbs have, outside of just the collars and a generally pretty solid design, is that you can see the harness here at the end has a sort of unique connector, and that's because depending on which bulb you buy, you'll get a slightly different harness for anti-flicker, and that'll help work with this light and plug directly into your factory wiring. So there's no cutting or splicing or anything funky to get these wired in. So as usual guys, if you're interested in picking up some CrystaLux bulbs for your vehicle, you can head down in the description below and click those links. They'll shoot you over to our website. And while you're down there, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any of the other videos and installs that we're always cranking out. And I will see you guys next time.